Welcome to Satori Awakening Cave. In this meditation, you'll simply bring awareness to what it feels like to walk. Let your back be loosely upright, relaxed yet steady. Now begin walking. There's no right or wrong way to walk, no special speed or technique. Just feel what it's like to walk. Keep walking at whatever pace feels natural. There's no need to adjust anything. Simply bring your attention to each unfolding step. Notice how each foot feels as it touches the ground, the texture beneath, the pressure, the subtle shifts in balance. If this feels a little artificial, that's okay. Just notice that feeling and keep walking with awareness. Allow your gaze to rest lightly on the ground a short distance ahead. Keep your mind focused, not wandering. From time to time, you may gently raise your eyes to look around. If someone passes by, a soft smile is more than enough. If no one is around, simply keep walking. Now bring your awareness to the air on your face. Is it warm, cool, or somewhere in between? Whatever sensations you notice, pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, allow them to be just as they are. Explore them with mindful awareness. As you walk, notice your body. Does it feel heavy or light, warm or cool? If your mind drifts into stories or thoughts, gently return to your steps. Feel your feet making contact with the ground, moment by moment. Continue walking with awareness. Movement practices like this can help you feel steady, grounded, and fully present. As you come to the end of this practice, pause and take a look around. Notice where you are. Appreciate this moment. Thank you for walking with awareness. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to explore more guided practices. You can also check out my Anytime Anywhere meditation playlist. And if you're ready to join me in bringing the light of awareness into everyday life, sign up as a member to access the full 5-part Anytime, Anywhere meditation series from Tergar. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.